In this video I will show you how to use the interactions on the Level 2 vPTY properties in the TANGDAO Metaverse. Let's enter one of the property today to check Level 2 out. A door icon will pop up when you are near the door building. Tap on the icon to enter the building. You will appear at the entrance of Level 1. There are two staircases that leads to Level 2 and 3. One on the left side. One on the right side. Both sides will take you to Level 2. The Level 2 and 3 icons will pop up when you are near the stairs. Tap on 2F to go to Level 2. You will appear at the entrance of Level 2. There are 3 buttons on the top right corner. The microphone on the left, the speaker in the middle, and the camera on the right. When there is a red line across the icon, it indicates that the function has been turned off. When the icon is green, it indicates that the function has been turned on. Let's try by turning on the microphone. You can now speak to the microphone. Other users will be able to hear what you say while they are also at Level 2. Let's turn off the microphone for now. When the speaker icon is turned on in the middle, it indicates you can hear what the other users say in Level 2. Let's try turning on the camera on next. You will be projected on the left or right side of the screen. Let's turn off the camera for now. Let's choose a seat. When you are near a seat, the sit button will pop up. Tap on the sit icon to sit down. Tap on the main screen to change to full screen. Tap on the close button on the top right to exit the full screen. Tap on the up arrow button on your movement pad to get up. Let's leave Level 2 now. Tap on 1F button to bring you back down to Level 1. Now you are ready to come to our Level 2 events, such as our movie screenings and our Masters Hall of Fame events on Saturdays.